Hello and welcome to BOZWANG. Today we're introducing the BZW-6T-C ultra-silent terminal crimping machine, designed for fast and accurate crimping of large square wires. Equipped with advanced frequency conversion control, this machine delivers stable performance. Its built-in program offers various features, all while maintaining ultra-low noise levels. Operators can easily adjust both crimping force and speed, making it suitable for a wide range of production needs. The BZW-6T-C supports wire diameters from 2.5 to 12 mm square and provides a powerful crimping force of 60 kN. The standard 30 mm stroke can also be customized to 40 mm for greater flexibility. This machine adopts an internationally certified gear motor. Equipped with imported proximity switch, it is fast and firm in crimping. The BZW-6T-C is compatible with a variety of applicators to meet different terminal crimping requirements. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more wire harness processing equipment.